gosh, Ebonix in Italy. We made it. It's about a holiday. We mean business.
We mean it.
We mean business. We're taking gaming really literally to Italy. I'm nervous. We really brought gaming to Italy. The Sims to Italy. You know how mad that is?
Come on, man.
The Sims. This is insanity.
Yeah.
So we're at welcome dinner. Francesco is who I've been talking to since last year to the gym. So it's nice to so we're going inside. It's giving like jazz vibes, so we might be doing like
Well, let's go in.
Song says it's your motherfucking moment. Oh my god, that's so weird.
How do you feel?
It's my motherfucking moment. Oh, I'm rattled. So I think, remember when I was feeling sick earlier? I think I was feeling sick from nerves because it definitely calmed down. And it was becoming very real that this is a babe from South London who never really thought about being in the art world in this capacity. This was really very much a venture that has taken me places I never ever expected. So I'm anxious, I'm nervous, but I know I wouldn't be here if I wasn't meant to be here. So I know I'm meant to be here. Imposter syndrome will come and kill me. And I'm excited because my mum's coming in today too. So I can't wait to obviously show her everything because she's been here from the jump. Whew. As you know, I'm going to make my own, so you lot be ready for this brand, for my branded fans coming soon. I'm nervous. Oh. And nothing is, I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh my god. So this is my artist card.
Look at that. Official.
Official.
How many people get that, you know? Go home.
It's for the ID.
Babe. Artist babe.
Press day. Press day. Press day. Gonna be telling the people them why we deserve to be seen in games, period. Why we transcended from just the gaming space, why we transcended from the gaming industry. Because we are an art form.
Yes, we are.
We are an art form and we deserve to be seen as such. We're more than just a bit of DE&I compliance, okay?
Just a box, yeah.
We're not a tick box. We are an art form and we deserve to be seen as such. And that's why we're here today. We're breaking those barriers, baby. We are breaking those barriers. So this is the fit. As I said, we are transcending the barriers of the tick box, the basic braid and afro. We're showing the people them that we are bright, we are cultured, we are colorful, and we deserve to be seen as such. In games and out games. This lift is taking 84 years and they're gonna yell at me. They've already yelled and said that they're waiting. I mean, you know, there's some stereotypes that I can live up to. Hi, we are on the way and I'm very excited. You ready? Mm-hmm. Gyrate. We're gyrating. We the artiste. Ciao.
How long did you have to stay here to install your show?
I didn't install it, so yeah, no. Francesco installed it all, so I was just kind of guiding him
very good.
From home,
Good
yes.
For you.
So I haven't seen it yet, so this will be the first time I've seen it since it's been up. So I'm very excited.
Well, if it's well.
Oh my God. Oh no. They're everywhere. This is so surreal. Oh my God. The projection room. And now that's matching. Kinda, sorta. It's like opposite colors. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's a projection room. So I've just kind of made this as like my journey. So from the first model that I made, which was in 2017, and then I kind of just did kind of each of my previews. Like these are the pictures I was using to preview what I've made. So making this, it was really nice to just see the journey. And we've come a long way. We've come such a long way. 2017. Oh my God. And you can see with every year just how much better I got. And how much effort and time I put into something that I love. Because it doesn't feel real. It doesn't feel like this is where this would have taken, like, this was my passion. This was what got me out of bed. This is what inspired me. And it doesn't feel real because who would have thought that this would have brought us here? Like, I've never done it like for money. I've never done it for anything other than I love being able to see us in the game. It feels very surreal. I'm so overwhelmed. God. And also what I can see in these as well is how I changed as a person. And I remember how I was feeling when I was making each of the pieces. Like, I knew when a certain piece just came up, I knew what headspace I was in at that time, and I wasn't in a good headspace. And I knew that it was affecting my art, so I had to take some time off from making it. And then when I, came back and really got into it, you can see just how much in love I was with making even better content. So this next part is my inspirations and why it's so important for everyone to feel seen in the game. That if they load up the game today, they know that they're going to be able to make a character that looks like them. No problem. That's even one of my community members and her sim self. It's also making me realize how much of a perfectionist I am. I worry about the smallest details. Surreal. Surreal, surreal, surreal.